We tried something new with our methodology that worked really well for us, so I think we're going to stick with this until the end of our project and see what results we get. I think we're getting more accurate data. We've been doing one experiment every week and counting our cells, seeing if they have stress granules or not, what percentage of the cells on each slide have stress granules, and we haven't fully analyzed our data yet. We're still in the process of collecting it, but we're getting there.
We make about 16 slides every time we do our procedure, so depending on how fast we are or how available the microscope is, it can take anywhere from an hour to 2 hours, depending on our focus and what's going on that day.
I think at the beginning of the project in A-term, we were really excited and confident about it. In B-term, we hit a few bumps with our methodology and things weren't going so well, but I think it's looking up right now and we're excited about the data that we're collecting, and hopefully we finish strong in D-term too.
An important skill that they learn as well is flexibility. So projects don't always work exactly as we plan them to from the beginning, and so the students have the opportunity to think about alternative solutions, to rethink the problems and the challenges that are involved in a project, and get the opportunity to really problem solve in new ways.
Thankfully, our hypothesis has not changed, which means we can still be comparing it to what we were doing A-term, which is great. Then we don't have to redraft an entire paper and spend our time actually collecting data instead of doing paper research. I feel more confident in my abilities in lab, becoming more familiar with the equipment, the space, the reagents, procedures in general of what to set up, what to clean up, and how fast I can do things is really great, so you can work around your schedule now and anyone else's schedule that needs to use the lab space.
In my recent veterinary school interview, they asked specifically about my MQP project, which was really exciting for me to talk to them about my research and the struggles that we've come across, and then the solutions that we've then come up with to address those. And I think that really brought a highlight into the interview as something that other students from other schools might not have done, is this full year-long research project.
I feel good about our methodology and what I go in and do in lab every day, and I feel like the project is advancing, just a little slower because real science takes a lot of time.
Working with MQP students is one of the best parts of this job. It is such a joy and a pleasure to see them become scientists, and they contribute importantly to the work that we do here at WPI. They're generating real results that help my research program, that become preliminary data from my grant applications, that become publications. And so not only is it very rewarding just to work with the students and to see them grow, but they're contributing importantly to our research as well.
I am optimistic that something will come out of this, and I really hope so. We've spent a lot of time and I've learned a lot of skills from it.